Hello, my witchies, and welcome back to my witchy kitchen where I share my magical recipes with you. Today, I thought I'd share my grounding and comforting hot chocolate nog recipe with you, given that Mother Nature slammed the door pretty hard this winter. So, let's get into it. You'll need 1 cup of eggnog. The cinnamon will bring in protection, and the egg will bring in fertile ideas to help you creatively this holiday season. You'll also need half a teaspoon of maple syrup to get rooted in the season and sweeten your perspectives on winter. Half a teaspoon of lion's mane mushroom powder. This not only helps with anxiety, but for the magical side of things, you can't get more grounded than fungi. 1 tablespoon of cocoa mix to bring in prosperity, love, and happiness. You'll stir it all together in a pot over medium heat with your intentions until it is steaming. You want to watch this carefully because you don't want your mix to scald at the bottom. Once done, pour through a strainer into your mug of choice to catch the pieces you didn't dissolve, and then enjoy. If you have a sweet tooth like me and you want to add a little something something, you could always add a marshmallow or 2. And there you have it, a comforting, grounding, and protective hot chocolate nog. If you liked this video and want to see more of my witchy content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming by. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Stay warm out there, my witchies. Toodles for now.